Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Chai and Clinicals. Today we are going to discuss the pro-opiomelanocortin protein. So this pro-opiomelanocortin protein is actually called as the parent protein. Why is it called as a parent protein? Why? Because it actually produces several active hormones. So why does this actually happen? Rather than having multiple genes for different proteins, our body, or for specifically pro-opiomelanocortin, there's only going to be one gene for several hormones or proteins. What are these hormones and proteins? The main three ones are ACTH, melanocyte stimulating hormone, and beta endorphins. So this ACTH, as we know that adrenal cortex has three portions, right? Glomerulosa, fasciculata, and the reticularis part. The glomerulosa is mainly stimulated by angiotensin 2, whereas the fasciculata and reticularis are mainly stimulated by ACTH and the corticotrophin releasing hormone. So now this ACTH is going to act on the fasciculata and reticularis. Now ACTH is going to increase the levels of cortisol. At the same time, the pro-opiomelanocortin is also producing melanocyte stimulating hormone and beta endorphins. This melanocyte stimulating hormone is going to act on the melanocyte, increasing the level of melanin, which basically leads to hyperpigmentation. And then beta endorphins mainly act on the brain opioid receptors. This helps with the pain modulation. Now, there's going to be one condition which you need to think of for the NBME questions or the UWIL questions, is that if the question or the vignette basically says hypotension alongside with that hyperpigmentation, this basically is reflecting on the Addison's disease. Why? Because in Addison's disease, the aldosterone level, aldosterone level alongside with the cortisol level basically decreases, which means that we need more ACTH to stimulate the adrenal gland to produce glucocorticoids alongside with that as mineralocorticoids, right? So when ACTH increases, this means that it is derived from the same protein which basically also produces MSH, melanocyte stimulating hormone, and beta endorphins. So now why is there hyperpigmentation in Addison's disease? Because alongside with ACTH, melanocyte stimulating hormone is also being produced. So that's how you're going to be solving the questions. Thank you.